London once smelled so horrific, Parliament debated moving its entire seat of power. For centuries, all of the city's waste flowed directly into the River Thames, turning it into an open sewer. Then came the infamous summer of 1858, known forever as the Great Stink. A record-breaking heat wave made the Thames' putrid odor unbearable, permeating every corner of the capital. Even inside the Houses of Parliament, lawmakers were forced to hang sheets soaked in disinfectant to try and breathe. The unbearable stench finally forced swift action from a reluctant government. Enter visionary engineer Joseph Bazalgetta, tasked with solving the city's sanitation crisis. He designed an elaborate, interconnected underground sewer system, a marvel of Victorian engineering. Over 318 million bricks were used to construct 82 miles of main sewers and 100 miles of street sewers. His ingenious system, still largely in use today, transformed London's health and remains a global blueprint for urban sanitation.